Good morning and happy Monday, everybody. I wanted to first congratulate all of our third grade, fourth grade, sixth grade, and fifth grade students on their participation and progress in code.org. You guys are all on different courses and you're all in different places, but you're all doing very well, and for the most part, everybody's keeping up. So that's good. Before you get started this week, you're going to be doing more of the same. Keep moving forward in whatever course you were assigned for code.org. But I wanted to highlight a couple of things. First, one little problem that I've seen other people having, I've been getting a lot of questions about, so I figure I'll answer that. And second, there's a term that keeps coming up that I'm not sure that I've done a good job of explaining, so I want to go back and explain what that is. So, first thing, many of you have gotten to lesson number 3, Alien Dance Party with Sprite Lab. Don't worry if you haven't gotten there. That's not the point of this video. I just want to show you all what I noticed about this and why some people were having problems. So if I look at the workspace here, I'm going to see that in the top menu bar there is an icon here. And if I hover over this little icon with an arrow in the middle of it, it says this icon means that this level is part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across these levels. So what that's telling me is everything that I do here is going to be built upon. So, in other words, if I take this spinning right out and change it with spinning left, when I go to the next level, it should let me go through. When I go to the next level, look, spinning left. It saves all of my changes as I go. So if you get all the way to lesson 8 and you say this isn't working and you delete a bunch of stuff, it's now going to save it like that. So you won't be able to go back. You'll have to start over at the very beginning. So my point is, be careful what you do in this one, because if you delete a bunch of stuff and don't know where you went wrong, you're going to have a little bit of trouble. So what I would strongly advise for you to do is to just do one change at a time until you get the right answers. And make sure you're following the instructions at the top. They tell you pretty much what they want, so you just got to figure out how to do it. Alright, the second thing is pixels. A lot of you have done these drawing exercises. This is in lesson 4, drawing with loops. Some of you have gotten there already, some of you have not. Once again, it's not about that. I just want to explain a few things. So if I type in here, say 100 pixels, that is a 100 pixel line. But what really is a pixel? So pixels are everything that you see on your screen is a pixel, and how they are arranged is what makes the images. So basically, if I looked at this letter, these letters that say blocks right here, each one of those little black lines is made up of pixels lined up in the right way to spell out a B and then an L and then an O and C. So it's this tiny little square. So then I was thinking, how can I show you guys some pixels? Like they're too small to see. One thing you can do is take a magnifying glass on your screen. If anybody has a magnifying glass at home, go ahead and do that. It is fun, and you can see the little squares if you magnify the screen. But the other thing I was thinking was, oh wait, Minecraft. Minecraft is a world generated from pixels, just like your computer screen, but they made the pixels bigger, so it's a little bit easier to see. See how there's little blocks? Everything is made of little blocks. Each one of those blocks is a pixel. Same thing here. Each one of these little squares that's a different color is a pixel. So there you go. Minecraft was a game that was inspired by pixels, and pixels are what make up everything on your computer screen. If you have a magnifying glass, do that experiment. It is interesting to see that you can zoom in on the pixels of your screen and actually see the little pixels. But if you don't want to do that, you can just look at Minecraft pictures. I know you all are familiar with Minecraft. So anyway, make some more progress this week, and stay healthy, everyone.